Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the main menu and go directly to Settings, then Audio to begin. You do this because Narrator toggles live inside the audio subsystem. Turning other sounds off won't affect it. Once inside Audio, scan down to Accessibility or Voice options, since some builds hide Narrator under that header. Make sure to use the D-pad for precise selection. Pull up the Help overlay only if the menu layout looks different. You now locate the narrator or commentary voice entry in that submenu and select it. This is the core step. Change the setting from on to off. This disables spoken play-by-play and menu narration. Once done, back out to the audio preview and play a sample clip or short gameplay segment to verify silence. If you hear voice, toggle nearby settings like accessibility speech or announcements, because some titles route narrator through those linked switches. You finish by saving changes and quitting to the console or PC desktop, then relaunch the game to enforce the new audio state. Many games only apply voice changes after a restart. If narration persists, clear the game cache or ensure your build is up to date, because lingering files can re-enable defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: if the narrator remains, temporarily switch user profiles to confirm it isn't a profile-specific accessibility override.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.